So if you use ChatGPT 100% to write most of your blog posts for your website or for your blog, you need to watch this video, because in today's video I'll be showing you exactly the reason why you should not be using ChatGPT 100%, and can you actually get Google Adsense approval while using ChatGPT. And lastly, if you are using ChatGPT, can you actually rank on Google, or can your website be deranked? So you actually need to watch this video, because I have a case study for you. I use a ChatGPT to write most of the content. I'm going to show you the result of the ranking. So ensure to watch this video from beginning to the end. And if you are seeing me here for the first time on YouTube, ensure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I'll be able to get the latest update from me. So what is ChatGPT? So ChatGPT is an open source that allows you to write blog posts. You can write YouTube script, different things about ChatGPT. Or if you are using ChatGPT, you should be using ChatGPT with a caution. So let's go back to the down of this particular tool. You can see pre-research preview. ChatGPT may provide inaccurate information about people, about places, and facts. So that means they are telling you upfront that ChatGPT cannot provide you 100% accurate information. So it's like an assistant. You actually need human being to actually make sure that the information ChatGPT is actually providing is 100%. As you can see, even the ChatGPT is telling us that it's easier to strive in accuracy content. Misleading and incorrect information can harm your reputation and credibility. So you have to ensure you use ChatGPT with caution. So now that you have known the dark side of ChatGPT, so let me quickly show you the case study I actually did. So this case study was actually from one of my favorite blogger, like Cyberite. So this is he actually have the credit. So this is the guy. This guy has been doing well with Google and different things. I actually like following him. So the guy actually did a case study, and inside the case study, actually bought a expired domain name with higher domain authority from expireddomain.com, and he said, to kick off often, I created a research prompt for ChatGPT and find approximately like 85 keyword a traffic search keywords purposely. So without any delay, I secure a expired domain name from expireddomain.com, and he actually wrote I think 50 content for this particular case study to actually make sure that if you are using ChatGPT, can you actually rank on Google. So and lo and behold, so I don't want to read the entire write-up. So you actually use ChatGPT to write the entire content, doing keyword research and different things. But if you see the result, the website actually got a lot of traffic from, let's say the traffic start growing, reaching 22,000 visitors from organic, from Google search. And you can see, not quite long, the website have to just go flat from 22,000 visitors every single month to just 100 or 50. So I don't think it actually worth using ChatGPT all through. So if you want to use ChatGPT, you have to ensure you add your own intake. You can actually rewrite it on your own. So, and I'm going to show you how you can actually do it in this video also. So you have to make sure that you actually add your own opinion, or probably you rewrite it. You make sure that it's more friendly to woman, that woman can actually read through and will not have any cause to say probably this is AI-generated content. And also, can you actually get Google Adsense approval? Obviously, I can't really answer that, but I actually made a case study where I use this particular website, practicalft.com. So I started this website using AI-generated content from different AI content. So, and you can see this website is actually monetized now. So what I did is actually to delete all the AI-generated content and actually hire someone from Fiverr. So if you want to hire that person, I actually have the link inside the description below. I hired that person to actually help me to write 15 to 20 content and apply for Google AdSense, and it will actually approve instantly. So by then I start using AI content again. So now for you to actually get higher chances of getting AdSense approval, actually rank well on Google and avoid you being deranked after some month or some week. So you have to do this. So let's assume that you are using ChatGPT to write most of your content. So let's copy the entire article. So let's assume that you have actually generated our content using ChatGPT. So this is our content. I'm going to copy it. Then firstly, I want to show you something. So let's go back to this particular AI tool, which is called Zero ChatGPT. So this Zero ChatGPT allows you to dictate if a content is AI generated or not. So I'm going to paste the content over here, paste, then click on detect text. So this AI tool is going to detect if it's AI generated or not. As you can see, this content is 62.77% AI generated content. That means Google can easily track that this is 100% AI content, and Google can track it at any time they wish. So for you to actually make sure that you are a little bit safer, and you can actually get AdSense approval and actually avoid the ranking. So the best option I think you actually need to do is to come to this particular tool, which is called QuillBOT.com. So QuillBOT is one of the best paraphrasing tool in the market right now. So you can actually use this particular tool to actually paraphrase the words you copy from ChatGPT. So let's assume that we are going to copy this content. So we are going to copy from ChatGPT, then come to QuillBOT. So we are going to paste the QuillBOT over here. So mind you, if you are using the free version, you have like 121 character per time. So you have to make sure you break the word down into smaller pieces. So you have to sign up with a Gmail or email. So I'm already signed up over here, so I don't want to work with you the entire process of signing up. So if you actually subscribe to their premium plan, so the premium plan is actually 121 character per paraphraser, and if you sign up for their premium plan, you have a limited word. You can paste like 1,000 words at a time and be able to paraphrase your words in just some instant. So let's assume that this is the word you actually want to paraphrase. So we are going to click on paraphrase word, and QuillBOT is going to do the paraphrasing for us. Actually give words like 100% or 70% of. So these are the suggestions. These are the suggestions QuillBOT is actually giving us. So you can actually paraphrase again if you don't like what QuillBOT is actually telling you. As you can see, creating a content that is 100% accurate and rank well on Google search are two different separate goals. So if you check the paraphrasing version, both of those objectives, producing material that is 100% correct and performing well on Google search, can be difficult to accomplish at once. So if you are not very okay with that, you can tell QuillBOT, please paraphrase this one again, and it's going to paraphrase it. So this is another version. It can be difficult to accomplish both objectives at once when trying to produce 100% material. So we can actually change this material to something like very similar. So let's say information. So with this, we can actually get like 100% or 70% different version of what ChatGPT is actually giving us. So I will actually drop the link to QuillBOT inside the description below. So if you want to check it out, so you can do it for all the content. So from, let's see, you can do it for almost like all the content before publishing it on your blog post or your website. So if you actually want to learn how to start a website from scratch, I make a video. It's going to show next on your screen. So thanks for watching this video. Ensure to actually subscribe, because I'll be doing more content like this about blogging and the rest, and YouTube. So ensure to subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching this video.